An infinite resolve for precision engineering, employing cutting-edge technology systems, producing critical tubes and tubular components for the fail-safe performance of vehicles on the road and off the road, in the agri-fields, earth-moving machines, industrial boilers, heat exchangers, and equipment for defense and aerospace, is a company with a growing global presence. Meta Engitech India Pvt Limited. Engineering value for precision tubes and beyond. Headquartered in Pune in western India, Meta Engitech has two modern manufacturing complexes located 31 kilometers from the Pune airport and 150 kilometers from the ports of Mumbai. The factories have installed modern technology-intensive facilities to produce high-precision engineered tubes, conforming to American, European, Japanese, and Indian standards, offering a wide range of products from electric resistance welded tubes to cold-drawn electric welded and drawn over mandrel tubes. A separate unit of the group with ultra-high precision engineering facilities produces value-added tubular components for hydraulic cylinders and allied products for the automotive as well as engineering sectors. Today, Meta Engitech is a leading supplier of high-precision tubes and tubular products to more than 200 OEM customers across India, Europe, the USA, and other emerging markets. High-precision tubes for the automobiles, for the agri and farming equipment, for construction and mining equipments, for the power and energy sectors, for general engineering, defense, and aerospace industries. All the manufacturing facilities of Meta Engitech are accredited for global quality management systems with strict compliance to quality, safety, health, and environment management. The Manufacturing Unit 1 is fully equipped with an array of large-capacity, high-precision tube mills to produce electric resistance welded tubes, a large inventory of special-grade steel coils. Quality testing of the incoming coil samples are carried out at the SpectroLab, as well as at the Mechanical Testing Laboratory. The coils are slit to precise widths as per the diameter of tubes required. An array of automatic tube mills carry out precision forming of different sizes of tubes with high-precision electric resistance welding, online ultrasonic testing, and eddy current testing. The tubes are cut to the required lengths automatically. All the rolls and other tools are specially developed in-house to ensure high precision and accuracy of multiple sizes and shapes of tubes. Meta Engitech Manufacturing Unit 2 is spread across a sprawling 15 acres plot. There are 8 bays of production areas. A large, bright annealing furnace provides controlled atmosphere heat treatment to the tubes for superior bright surface. Next, a 12-stage surface treatment plant prepares the surface of tubes suitable for further cold drawing or pilgering. There are 10 cold draw benches of varying capacities for cold drawing of different sizes and shapes of precision engineered tubes. A massive lineup of 40 cold pilgers reduce the diameter and thickness with precise control on dimensions while enhancing the strength and surface finish of tubes. This path-breaking technology enables us to supply small diameter to thickness ratio tubes in complex steel grades which are otherwise difficult to cold work. Next in line is the tube straightening machine. Finally, the tubes undergo 100% eddy current testing. For the specific requirements of customers, a full-surface ultrasonic testing is provided on the latest offline ultrasonic test machine. CNC cutting machines automatically cut the tubes precisely to the required sizes and shapes. Samples of finished products undergo rigorous testing at the mechanical laboratory. The test samples are preserved for future traceability. Constantly developing and evolving solutions through technology and innovation, Meta Engitech is driven by a vision to become the best value creator of tubes and tubular products. For Meta Engitech, it's a committed mission of serving the demanding needs of industry by engineering continuous value for customers around the world